Hello everyone, welcome to Muhammad Ali Travel YouTube channel, welcome to my life and welcome to my house. On today's video, we will prepare a recipe that we can never miss at Christmas nor New Year's Eve. We are going to prepare hallacas. So I'm gonna take you with me to all the ingredients and the process that we have to do to make this recipe. One of the things that we have to do is to chop all of these vegetables to add it to our stove of chicken and pork. Here my sister is cleaning the foils. Once we chop everything, we can make the stew and prepare the hallaca. My mom is adding everything. Here we have onion and garlic. Now we add this. You can use a spicy chili or normal chili. Here we call it ají dulce. Now she's adding the pork. Let it cook in middle fire. Now my mom is adding this thing, alcaparras. My mom is adding some olives. These two. Now we add these to bring a little bit of sweetness to the stew. We finally will add a bit of wine. A bit of wine. And finally we add this chicken, but it is before cooked. Just at the end of the stew we add the chicken, and just for give it a little bit of a touch, we add a spoon of harina pan to make it look. A bit of wine. And finally we add this chicken, but it is before cooked. Just at the end of the stew we add the chicken, and just for give it a little bit of a touch, we add a spoon of harina pan to make it look like more thick. We are about to start to prepare everything. I'm gonna show you a part of the process, and well, this is my beautiful mom here with me. First place we add this oil and to the foil. This will provide an oily surface, so the mass won't get stick. Once we finish that, we grab this bowl and we are going to make it as thicker as possible, thinner as possible, and there is where we are going to place all the peel of the hallaca. Once we have this, my mom will peel the base. To repeat the process over and over. Now my mom is making the final process, which finish with this, involving all the hallaca. Look that she takes away the excess of mass, because we don't want a really thick preparation. We want something elegant. Well, we open this side of the hallaca and then we grab it over here and we just let it go. Yes, this looks amazing. After that, the only thing we have to do is open it. Look at the inside of the hallaca with chicken and pork. So goodbye guys, I forgot to say goodbye. Please write in the comment if you liked the video. Please write in the comment if you already knew the hallaca recipe. Please give a thumb up to the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in another moment. Besos.
everyone, my name is Alicia and I am from the USA. Are you fancy to win 200 USD? Then join our awesome competition on MohammedAli.tv and turn your dream into an exciting adventure. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's go. Step 1, tweet the 3 hashtags. Hashtag Muhammad Ali, hashtag love travel, hashtag win money with your photo standing in front of your favorite landmark. For example, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, followed by a few of your own words to describe the photo. Step 2, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Muhammad Ali, like and share it, and leave a meaningful travel quote of your choice in the comment section. Step 3, send an email to subscribeandwin@mohammedali.tv with your name and age to register your interest. As usual, our terms and conditions apply. More info can be found on www.mohammedali.tv. Wish you good luck and see you next time. Ciao!